No, toilet bowl cleaner is not safe to use in the shower because it is formulated for different surfaces and can permanently damage tile, grout, acrylic, and metal finishes. Toilet bowl cleaners typically contain strong acids or bleach to dissolve mineral deposits and organic matter. When used on ceramic tile or porcelain, acidic formulas can etch the glaze, leaving a rough, dull surface that traps dirt and promotes staining. On natural stone and grout, the acids can eat away binding materials, causing pitting and crumbling that looks like fading rather than simple dirt. On acrylic tubs and fiberglass showers, the same chemicals can produce crazing and microcracks that weaken the material and attract soap scum. Metal fixtures and drains face corrosion and loss of protective plating, which leads to discoloration and accelerated wear. If you must remove mold or heavy soap scum in the shower, use a pH-neutral cleaner or a diluted hydrogen peroxide or white vinegar solution, applied briefly and rinsed well, and always test on an inconspicuous spot first. For mineral scale, use a product specifically labeled for scale on your shower material and follow the manufacturer instructions. Wearing gloves and ensuring ventilation. Common mistakes I see are using a toilet product on tile or stone and then wondering why the finish looks cloudy. The fix is to stop use immediately, rinse thoroughly, and call a professional stone restorer for severe etching. Another mistake is leaving the cleaner on too long, hoping it will work faster. That increases chemical reaction time and damage. So always follow contact time on a product labeled for that surface and rinse promptly. People also mix cleaners, for example, combining bleach and acidic scale removers, which creates toxic gases. Never mix products, and if you suspect a hazardous mixture, ventilate, leave the area, and call your local poison control or emergency services. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse project examples that match their materials and finishes. We connect contractors with work leads and host a discussion community where we and our users share practical tips, product experiences, and repair photos.